Hey, what's up everybody? Doc G here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving deep into a topic that's super important for your overall health, your kidneys. These powerful organs work tirelessly to filter your blood and keep you healthy. So we need to make sure we're doing everything we can to keep them in tip-top shape. Now, I've got a lot of exciting information to share with you today, including 8 essential tips on how to potentially improve your kidney health using a common household ingredient, baking soda. If you're interested in learning how to support your kidneys naturally, make sure you stick around until the very end of this video. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more informative content, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics of baking soda, it's crucial to understand why we're even talking about kidneys in the first place. What makes these organs so important? Well, simply put, your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, working 24/7 to keep you alive and kicking. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Your kidneys? They're the sanitation department, constantly filtering out waste products and toxins from your bloodstream. Just like a city can't function with overflowing landfills, your body can't function properly with overloaded kidneys. These bean-shaped powerhouses remove excess water, salt, and byproducts of metabolism, ensuring your blood stays clean and balanced. And trust me, you don't want to know what happens when that balance gets thrown off. We're talking about fatigue, swelling, nausea, and in severe cases even kidney failure. But it's not just about removing the bad stuff. Your kidneys also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and activating vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones. So, yeah, your kidneys are pretty darn important, and taking care of them should be a top priority. Now let's talk about baking soda. You probably know it as that magical ingredient that makes your cookies rise or neutralizes odors in your fridge. But did you know that this pantry staple also has potential health benefits, particularly when it comes to kidney health? I know what you're thinking. Baking soda for my kidneys? Seriously? But hear me out because there's actually some interesting science behind this. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring alkaline substance. Remember how I said your kidneys need balance? Well, baking soda can help neutralize excess acid in your body, potentially easing the workload on your kidneys. Now, it's important to note that the research on baking soda and kidney health is still ongoing, and we need more conclusive evidence to make definitive claims. But some studies suggest that baking soda could play a role in slowing down the progression of chronic kidney disease and improving kidney function in people with certain conditions. Of course, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before adding baking soda to your regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Chapter 3. How baking soda supports your kidneys. So how exactly does baking soda work its magic on your kidneys? Well, one of the main ways is by helping to balance your body's pH levels. You see, your kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate acid-base balance in your blood. When we consume foods like processed foods, sugar, and meat, they create an acidic environment in our bodies. This forces our kidneys to work overtime to neutralize the excess acid. Over time, this constant strain can take a toll on our kidneys. This is where baking soda comes in. Because it's an alkaline substance, it can help neutralize some of the excess acid in your blood, potentially giving your kidneys a much-needed break. Think of it like this. Imagine your kidneys are like a filter in a swimming pool. The more dirt and debris in the pool, the harder the filter has to work. Baking soda is like adding a clarifier to the pool, helping to remove some of the debris and making the filter's job a little easier. Now I want to be clear that baking soda is not a miracle cure for kidney disease. It's not a substitute for proper medical treatment, but it could be a helpful tool in supporting your kidneys and overall health. Chapter 4. Your step-by-step guide to using baking soda. Now, if you're interested in incorporating baking soda into your routine to potentially support your kidneys, it's essential to do it safely and correctly. Remember, I'm not a medical professional, so it's crucial to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. That being said, here's a common method for using baking soda. Start by dissolving 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water. It's important to mix it thoroughly to ensure the baking soda is fully dissolved. Once it's dissolved, drink the solution slowly. You can do this once or twice a day, but again, always check with your doctor first. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage and frequency based on your individual health needs. It's also important to pay attention to how your body reacts. Some people might experience mild side effects like gas, bloating, or diarrhea. If you experience any discomfort, stop using baking soda and consult with your doctor. Chapter 5. Beyond baking soda, more kidney-boosting tips. While baking soda can be a helpful tool, it's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to kidney health. Here are some additional tips to keep those kidneys functioning at their best. First up, let's talk about hydration. Remember, your kidneys need water to function properly. Aim to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, especially water. Next, watch your salt intake. Too much salt can lead to high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for kidney disease. So, be mindful of your sodium consumption and try to limit processed foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium. Speaking of diet, what you eat plays a huge role in your kidney health. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. And don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity is beneficial for your overall health, including your kidneys. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Finally, if you have any underlying health conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, it's crucial to manage them effectively. These conditions can put extra stress on your kidneys, so keeping them in check is essential. Keep those kidneys healthy. So there you have it, your guide to potentially supporting your kidney health with baking soda. Remember, your kidneys are amazing organs that deserve all the love and care you can give them. By incorporating these tips and talking to your doctor, you can take proactive steps towards supporting your kidney health and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And as always, make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.